Well, good morning. It's John Longcroft-Neal here, to give the full moniker. It's Thursday, the 27th of June 2024. I'm just going for a bike ride, see what I can see. Come on.
I would walk for miles in the hope of seeing your face.
Let me just tell you something about the weather. You can see over there, look at it. It's really dark and threatening, and it might even be raining. But the wind's going that way, and what we're getting is this, blue sky. We've just had a mini heat wave, and it's been quite warm, yeah, mid-20s. I'm not going to talk Fahrenheit for anybody, which for us is quite hot. So now I'm just going out for a nice bike ride. I'm going to get to Market Bosworth, and I'm aiming for the gated road, and yeah, just going to go out and enjoy myself, see what I can see as usual. I hope you like the Name That Roof project. That was good fun. But this is just back onto another bike ride. Somebody was saying, I was talking to somebody about the value of these videos, and one guy, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but he actually spent 2 weeks in hospital with a serious operation, and he liked to get out on his bike, and he spent 2 weeks watching my videos. So for many, it's just a matter of getting out in the countryside, and it is gorgeous today. The sun has finally come out, which is nice, and it's June. All the leaves and trees and bushes are all in full flow, so let's just go and enjoy it. Now I've come to a quiet spot. I can tell you what the plan is. I've got a plan. Not much of a plan, but it'll do me. One, I'm trying to make the battery last longer on the electric bike, the E28, made by Istali, by turning off the power as often as I can, because you can just ride it like a regular bike. And I've found that on a recent trip doing this, I managed to get 50 miles. That's 80 kilometers. Oh yes, from the modern thinkers, which is very good. So I'm going to see if I can do similar this time. Ooh. Just as I thought it was going to be quiet, got bloody traffic everywhere. Good grief. Anyway, look at it down there, it's nice, isn't it? Sorry, I'm easily distracted at my age. And secondly, I'm just going to go to Market Bosworth, which is a nice step out. It'll be about nearly 20 miles to get there, but I'm going to go my usual route through Wykin, into Stoke Golding, Dadlington, and off to Market Bosworth. And the weather is picking up. Earlier, it was probably about 16, 17 degrees. Yesterday, it was very sunny and hot, and it went to about 27. So I'm thinking today it might pick up and be quite warm again. So I've got some bits and pieces with me. You might have noticed as well, I've got a bag on the front there, which has got a little seat in it, so I can sit wherever I want. Right, okay, let's press on. Good morning, Toucan. Nice name. This crop of blue flowers is indeed flax, which I understand is quite difficult to harvest, but quite lucrative. Well, I'm away now and we're going to Market Bosworth, and there's a hill to climb, and this is where the electric bike is an absolute dream, because it's quite a long hill and it levels off and then it goes up again. It's interesting to note all these villages and towns, and I'm still not sure whether Market Bosworth is a town or a village, but they're all on hills. Stoke Golding's on a hill, Dadlington's on a hill, and certainly Market Bosworth is, so I've got to climb up here. I think if we get a look over here, look, you can see the sort of terrain I'm looking at. But no bother. On my E28 Estali electric bike, just no problem. So I'm just talking to you now and going uphill. By the way, level 2 on the battery. The power of the battery is still on 5 bars, so it claims to have not used anything over the last 8 to 9 miles. So yeah, I'm trying to preserve the battery as I go. I'm going up here, up this fairly shallow hill to be honest, but and I'm on power resistance level 2. Oh dear, talk about schoolboy error. There's a farmer here and he is turning this hay over, ready to be baled. So I thought, yeah, let's put the drone up. And the trouble was, put the drone up, I hadn't put the card in it. I thought I checked it, the little SD card. It's tiny, it's bigger than a quarter of a stamp. It's a tiny thing. But fortunately, I have one in the controller. So I got that ready and got it out, and then I dropped it in the grass. And I did find it though. So I took it up, took the drone back up over near where the trad was. It was looking great because it was spinning this device on the back and turning the hay over. And now he's stopped. I presume it's either broken or he's just taken a break, I don't know. Oh dear. Oi, oi, oi. This is the life, as they say. Oh, what's the time? Oh, well, it's nearly lunchtime anyway. Oh, this is excellent. Right. Well, yesterday we had a family reunion. My two older sisters, Joyce and June, were around. So we had some special cake brought in, and not everything was eaten, so I've got some here, some fruit cake. That's the end piece, and it's got a bit of paper stuck to it. Anyway, very nice. There's a chiff-chaff. Finally heard one. Well, and if you just want to watch me eat these, and I've got some dates and some water, you can listen to the chiff-chaff if you like. Lovely day. And this tree, oh, you know I like a tree, but this one's a beautiful big oak tree. All the leaves are out. Massive trunk, as you can see. Fantastic. Good day to be alive. You can see there was a bit of breeze the way this rose bay willow herb was wafting in the breeze, but I did manage to get the drone up to see the farmers making hay while the sun shines.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
There you have it, folks. Another ride in the beautiful South Leicestershire countryside. And you know, I'm just doing this because there are some people who can't even get out of the house, or they're confined to bed or hospital or something. So I'm more than happy to take you on a trip out and about, even though there's just the regular stuff to see, which is all still very nice. The flowers, the trees, the farmers in the fields doing what they're doing, and get a feel of the nice sunny day. Excellent. Okay, you know what? You will see me next time. Bye-bye.